Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to destroy vault in Fallout Shelter. If you are looking to start fresh or remove an existing vault in Fallout Shelter, then here is how you do it. Launch open the Fallout Shelter application on your mobile device, and once the game loads, tap on one of the vaults you'd like to destroy. After selecting the vault, you will see a little arrow facing upwards at the bottom. Simply tap on that and then click on red destroy button. Remember that if you are trying to destroy a room, you will need to make sure that there is no dweller assigned to the room. Before deleting or destroying the room, you will first need to assign the dweller in a different area. Go ahead and drag the dweller by pressing and holding on it and place them on a different room. Once you do that, you can then tap on the vault that is empty and then tap on the arrow and click on destroy. In the pop-up, confirm that you want to destroy the room, tap on OK, and with this, you will be able to destroy a room or a vault in Fallout Shelter. Deleting a vault is permanent and all the progress in that particular vault or room will be lost. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.